Alright guys, so my package just got here. I already opened it. And if it's goodies, I'm starting with that first before her. And I'm not showing the COA because I want it to be a surprise. Aww. So the first item is a little bow.
Damn, making some good money. This is for taxes. So much I'll be getting. That's what happens when I work my ass off, babe.
Shh. This little outfit.
I'll let you finish your thing. Show the dog.
Aww. Little cute sleeper. It's not gonna be the first sleeper she's in though. She packed extra goodies. She didn't need to do that. Oh, we get out of the box. Aw, some little shorts. Little outfit. I'm trying to do the baby last. Little pacifier. It has a little bear on it. And then another pacifier. And now the little baby. Oh, you guys can't really see her. Hold on. Get you guys popped up better here. I'm so excited, guys. You have no idea. I've been waiting for this baby for a while now. I'm trying to like be gentle opening her. And my fiance said that she's gonna be in a purple blanket, and I said I think it's gonna be a pink one. And guess who was right? Me. So I am gonna start from the feet up because that's what everybody does. I didn't think she was gonna fit in the box she was in because it was so tiny. I'm scared. I'm also excited. I don't know if her face has a diaper on it or not. Oh my god, her feet! I don't want to look at her face yet. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell what kit this is by her feet. Oh, look at her little feet. Oh my goodness. She's cold. Oh, poor baby's cold. Oh, look at her little feet. I'm not going to show her face yet, but I want you guys to see her little feet. Look at her feet. Okay. Now let's do her hands. Oh my goodness. Look at her little hands. She's cold though, so she must be. She is cold. I'll have to put her something on. Alright, you guys ready to see her head? Because I am. Is there a diaper over her head? Yes, there's a diaper, so I can uncover it. Okay. Oh my goodness. So she has this little, I think it's cherry bow. Oh my gosh, it's a cherry bow. Alright, are you guys ready? I'm ready. Here we go. Here we go, guys. 1, 2. Oh, there's plastic on it. Oh, I gotta undo the plastic. Hold up. And I didn't mention this before, but she's one of my dream babies. So I'm very excited because I've been wanting this kit for a while now. Oh my God, guys, she's adorable. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see. It's the Princess Adelaide. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh, look at her. Guys. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my goodness. Hi, babies. Hi. And I specifically asked the seller, because I don't know if the seller made her or not, but I asked the seller to bring her this outfit because I thought I saw her wear this outfit in her pictures, and I just love the little outfit. It is so cute, and she's so cute. Oh my God, she is adorable. I can't believe it. I can't believe I have her now. This is so unreal. She's so cute, and her hair is so soft. And she smells really good, so I don't know what she put in her. She gave me 2 pacifiers. She said one of them doesn't work, and I think it's this one that's connected to the brown thing. And I think this is the one that fits her. Oh my God, guys. Look how cute this pacifier is on her. Oh my God, I love her. So, I originally fell in love with this sculpt. I watched this Reborn collector, and she has this sculpt, and she named hers Riley. And I fell in love with her as soon as I saw her, and I wanted her. But I decided to name this little one Little Miss Rose. So this is Little Miss Rose. Welcome her to the collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. And I can't believe she's finally here. She's so cute. Have a good day, everyone.